Russia's Air Force has been spared of the most heavy losses for Russia's army. This doesn't mean they haven't suffered heavily. It's just not as critical as many of Russia's other branches of their military. With an uneven loss rate of their systems, as Russia has managed to actually produce more airplanes of certain models than they have lost, while others have seen heavy losses, and some even devastating losses, as Russia doesn't produce some of the airframes anymore, and they had few to start in their inventory. Russia failed to create air superiority in the beginning of the conflict, which has resulted in little movement on the front line, needing to suffer huge casualties for very little land. With Russia's Air Force being used much more at a distance now, losses came early from man-pads, with helicopters like the Ka-52 and aircrafts like the Su-25 giving Russia close air support. They have also suffered from some of the heaviest losses, making Russia reduce their inventory with a significant portion. While Russia's total air fleet, which started at around 4,000 units and have around 400 lost over a 4-year period, gives Russia a long time before running out completely. It's however some of Russia's more crucial airframes that has seen losses as well, with Russia's early warning and control planes seeing several planes to get destroyed. Russia's bomber planes saw a surprise attack from Ukraine's drones, making it the single most devastating day for Russia's Air Force. While Russia has many airplanes left, Ukraine has managed to inflict such losses and surprise Russia so many times that Russia is actively restricting their usage of their airplanes and helicopters to try and reduce the risk of unpredicted losses. As Ukraine has managed to do many firsts of its kind in this conflict, with sea drones managing to take down airplanes, placing short-range air-to-air missiles on the drone, making them small, portable, short-range air defense system on the sea. With shorter-range FPV drones also managing to take down much more expensive helicopters, something that will have an increased risk as drones are becoming more capable with speed and range. Having Russia pull back their helicopters even further to avoid this danger